The concept of trophic levels serves as a cornerstone in the field of ecology. Trophic levels provide an ecosystematic approach to understanding how energy and nutrients move from one organism to another. This video focuses on the intricacies of trophic levels, particularly in aquatic environments, and examines the specific role of ray-finned fish in these systems. Ray-finned fish, scientifically known as Actinopterygii, represent the largest and most diverse group of fish in the aquatic world. Characterized by their bony skeletal structure and, as their name suggests, ray-like fins, these fish are found in a wide range of aquatic environments, from freshwater habitats to the deepest parts of the ocean. A significant portion of ray-finned fish species are admired for their vivid colors and intricate patterns, making them popular choices in the ornamental fish industry. Aquarium enthusiasts often select from this diverse group for their home aquariums, drawn by the beauty and variety these fish offer. Their adaptability to different aquatic environments also makes them a preferred choice for both novice and experienced fish keepers, contributing to their popularity in ornamental fish culture. Trophic levels provide a structured way to classify organisms in an ecosystem based on their role and position in the food chain. This hierarchical system starts with the primary producers, primarily plants and algae. These organisms are unique in their ability to harness sunlight and convert it into usable energy through the process of photosynthesis, forming the basis of the food chain. Following these producers are the primary consumers, or herbivores. These organisms feed directly on the primary producers, deriving their energy and nutrients from plant or algal sources, and constitute the second trophic level. Moving up the hierarchy, the third level consists of secondary consumers, typically carnivores, who feed on primary consumers. These organisms are crucial in maintaining the balance of ecosystems by controlling the population of herbivores, thus preventing overgrazing or depletion of primary producers. At the apex of the food chain are the tertiary consumers, predators who feed on secondary consumers. They play a critical role in regulating the populations of other consumers, thereby maintaining the overall health and stability of the ecosystem. An often overlooked but vital component of this system are the decomposers, including bacteria and fungi. Although not traditionally included in trophic levels, decomposers play a crucial role in breaking down dead organic matter. The decomposers return essential nutrients to the soil or water and ensure the continuation of the nutrient cycle. This process supports the primary producers and maintains the ecological balance, completing the cycle of energy and nutrient flow in ecosystems. The transfer of energy through these levels is marked by a significant loss, approximately 90%. This is explained by the 10% rule, which states that only about 10% of the energy at one level is passed on to the next. The term trophic, deriving from the Greek word trophy, meaning nourishment, highlights the focus on feeding and energy transfer within these systems. In aquatic ecosystems, the trophic structure, though reflective of the general hierarchical model, exhibits unique characteristics that distinguish it from terrestrial systems. Primary producers in these environments are predominantly algae and aquatic plants. These organisms play a crucial role in converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, forming the foundational layer of the aquatic food web. The primary consumers in these ecosystems typically consist of small fish and a variety of aquatic invertebrates, such as zooplankton, which feed on the primary producers. These organisms are integral in transferring energy from the producers to higher trophic levels. At the next level are the secondary consumers, primarily predatory fish that feed on the smaller fish and invertebrates. Their role in the ecosystem is pivotal as they help maintain the balance between different species populations. Tertiary consumers, often larger fish or other aquatic predators like certain species of sharks or marine mammals, sit at the top of this hierarchy. They prey on secondary consumers and are key to controlling their populations, thus preventing overpredation on primary consumers. Decomposers in aquatic systems, mainly detritivores such as sea cucumbers and bacteria, play a critical role in the breakdown of organic matter. They decompose dead plants and animals, returning essential nutrients back into the water. which are then reused by primary producers. This process is vital for sustaining the nutrient cycles in aquatic ecosystems and maintaining ecological balance. In tropical freshwater habitats, the diversity of ray-finned fish particularly striking. These fish, representing a vast array of species, occupy multiple trophic levels within these ecosystems. Smaller or juvenile members of this group often serve as primary consumers. They feed on plant material and phytoplankton, playing a crucial role in transferring energy from primary producers to higher levels of the food chain. Larger or predatory species of ray-finned fish, on the other hand, function as secondary or tertiary consumers. They prey on smaller fish and invertebrates, thereby regulating their populations and maintaining the ecological balance. Their varied feeding habits, ranging from herbivorous to carnivorous, significantly influence the distribution and flow of energy within these freshwater habitats, demonstrating the complex interdependence of species within aquatic ecosystems. In tropical freshwater ecosystems, predatory ray-finned fish play a critical role in shaping the dynamics of the food web. These predators, by regulating the populations of primary consumers, such as smaller fish and invertebrates, exert a significant influence on the overall ecosystem. This regulation ensures that primary consumers do not overexploit primary producers, like algae and aquatic plants, thus maintaining a healthy balance between different trophic levels. The health and growth of these primary producers are crucial for the overall productivity of the ecosystem. This interaction between different levels of the food chain highlights the deep interconnectedness within aquatic ecosystems. The balance maintained by predatory ray-finned fish is essential not only for their survival but also for the sustainability of the entire ecological community. Their role underscores the importance of each group in the ecosystem and the delicate balance that must be preserved for ecological stability. Tropical freshwater habitats are distinguished by their exceptional biodiversity and high levels of productivity. These ecosystems thrive under conditions of warm temperatures and ample sunlight, which are conducive to the rapid growth and turnover of biomass. This rapid turnover facilitates a swift flow of energy through the food chain, from primary producers to top predators. The abundance of sunlight aids in the robust photosynthetic activity of aquatic plants and algae, which form the base of these rich ecosystems. These factors combine to create highly dynamic and interdependent ecological networks. Within these networks, each organism, from the smallest phytoplankton to the largest predator, plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall health and balance of the habitat, illustrating the intricate connections that define these vibrant aquatic environments. However, these ecosystems face significant threats from human activities, including fishing pressure, habitat destruction, and pollution. These impacts on fish populations, and consequently the trophic dynamics within these environments, underscore the importance of studying these levels and energy flows with a focus on key species like ray-finned fish. This knowledge is vital for understanding and maintaining the health of tropical freshwater ecosystems. Ray-finned fish, inhabiting tropical freshwater habitats, hold a pivotal position in the trophic structure and energy dynamics of these ecosystems. Their varied feeding habits and their roles at different levels within the food web not only reflect the complexity of these environments, but also mark them as vital indicators of ecological health. These fish, through their interactions and feeding behaviors, contribute significantly to the balance and functionality of aquatic ecosystems. Their status in the food chain also makes them crucial targets for conservation efforts, as their well-being often mirrors the overall health of the ecosystem. Understanding the intricate dynamics involving these fish is more than a scientific pursuit. It's a key component in crafting effective strategies for ecosystem management. Preserving the rich biodiversity of tropical freshwater habitats requires a nuanced approach that acknowledges the subtle interdependencies within these complex aquatic systems. This understanding is fundamental not just for the conservation of ray-finned fish, but for maintaining the vibrancy and resilience of the entire ecosystem. Thank you for exploring the role of ray-finned fish in tropical freshwater habitats with us. At Aquabioculture, we're committed to sustainable aquaculture, guided by ecosystemic thinking. Your support is crucial. For more information, please contact us. We appreciate your interest in aquatic sustainability. Thank you for watching.